All right, so we have lesson 3.6 here, lines in the coordinate plane. But going back to the last time, we were dealing with finding the sum of the measure of the angles of different polygons. So what we used was this n minus 2 times 180. So if we're doing a 15-agon, 15 is going to go in for n. So 15 minus 2 times 180. So in other words, 13 times 180. Which is going to end up being 2,340 degrees. So that's what all of the interior angles of that 15-agon are going to have to be. If you think back, the exterior angles, no matter what the shape is, they're always going to be 360. Interior angles, though, we use this formula. So, slope-intercept form is the more common form we use, especially when we go to graph lines. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. M is going to be the slope, b is your y-intercept of the line. So we have a postulate 1, 1 here. If you think back to that from chapter 1, what it says is 2 points determine a line. So when we do this, we're only going to need 2 points. We can graph it from there. So when it comes to graphing these, we're going to do it like so. So start with your y-intercept, the b. So that's going to be where we start on our y-axis. So if we're at 2, we go up 2, and we put our dot. From there we use our slope. So remember, it's going to be rise over run. So slope, rise over run. So the top number is how much we're going to go up and down. The bottom number is going to be how far we go over. And generally, we're going to go to the right always. It'll just be if it's positive, we go up. If it's negative, we go down. Always go to the right with this. So we're going to go up 3. 1, 2, 3, right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put our dot, and then we would graph or draw our line. Of course, yours should be a lot straighter there. That's where a straight edge would be better. But just keep in mind, start with your y-intercept, and then do rise over run. Now, we get into standard form is another way of writing a linear equation. This time the x and the y are both going to be on the same side. So ax plus by equals c. A, b, and c are real numbers, and a and b will not equal 0. So to graph this line in standard form, we're going to find the x and the y intercepts. And this is how we're going to do that. So cover up the x, and if we solve that out, we would divide by 3, and so y is going to end up being 4. If we go the other way and cover up the y, 6x equals 12. We divide by 6. X would end up being 2. So those are our 2 points. On the x, we're going to go right to the 2. On the y, we're going to go up to 4. And again, we can draw our line through those points. All right. Now, the other option with that is we can convert it over into slope-intercept form as well. So to do that, we're just going to solve for y. So we would subtract the 4x over. So minus 2y equals negative 4x plus 9. And then we would divide by negative 2. So y is going to end up being 2x plus minus 9 halves. We could leave it like that. We also know that would be 4.5. So when we go to graph this, we go down 4.5. 1, 2, 3, 4.5. That's that one. Now, when there's no number underneath, it's technically over 1. So we're going to go 1, 2, right 1. So up 2, right 1, and then again, draw our graph. So, that's it for this lesson. Let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, until next time, we'll talk to you later, guys.